All right, YouTube. Today, I finished insulating my garage door. Well, a couple months ago, my garage door was, let's say, fucking old. So I had to get a new one. So instead of spending the extra $400 for an insulated garage door, my garage door, because I live in Florida, has to be hurricane proof to some fucking degree. My garage door installed with everything was $1,100. It's nothing fancy. It's just all these rails, I guess, for the wind and blah, blah, blah. I went out and I bought this Polypro from Lowe's. It took 4 sheets. I did the measurements. It was about 20 and a quarter height and whatever. I did the math. You want it to be kind of firm in here. It doesn't move. The acoustics in here are way better. I don't hear street traffic. I don't hear people, walking by my house. I haven't put my AC back out here yet, but I'm pretty excited for the winter to exactly see how much difference from this year to last year. Just going up and down, I guess because it tightened it up, it's way more quiet. Each sheet, my sheets I picked were 1 inch thick. 4 sheets at around $16 each. So it's not an expensive project. Saved some money. Took me a couple hours to do. I would highly recommend it. Have a good night.